In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch PayPal from business to personal. If you're trying to change a PayPal business account back into a personal account, it's important to know right away that PayPal generally does not allow you to downgrade a business account once it has already been upgraded. So, unfortunately, there isn't a built-in switch that lets you simply convert that account back to personal. What you can do instead is create a brand new PayPal account and choose the personal account option during setup. This is the workaround most people will need to use, and it's a pretty straightforward process. To get started, head over to paypal.com. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner and click on Sign Up. This will take you to the account creation page where PayPal will ask what type of account you want to open. Before you continue, there's one important detail to keep in mind. Depending on the email address tied to your existing business account, you may not be able to reuse that same email for the new personal account. In many cases, PayPal requires a different email address for a separate account, so be prepared to use another valid email that isn't already attached to your business profile. After that, continue with the sign-up process and create your new account. When PayPal asks you to choose the account type, make sure you select personal rather than business. This step is the key part of the process because the account type you choose during registration determines how the account will be set up. Once you finish creating the new personal account, you're done. At that point, you'll have a separate PayPal personal account ready to use. A quick tip here, make sure you keep track of which account is which, especially if you plan to keep both accounts active. Using the correct login details and email address for each one can help avoid confusion later when sending, receiving, or managing payments. So just to recap, you can't directly switch an existing PayPal business account back to personal, but you can go to paypal.com, click Sign Up, use a different email address if needed, and create a new account by selecting personal. That's all there is to it.